Hi there, I'm Muriel. Welcome to this meditation to help you restore the harmony within you. Take a comfortable seated position, either cross legs, on the floor or on a chair if you cannot stay on the floor, but keep in mind to get your spine straight enough to avoid any tension in your back. If you want to train your body for the cross-legged seated position, I recommend you to watch the video linked above. Now we are going to begin. Close your eyes, hands on your knees or on your thighs. Connect your breath. Allow your breath to be natural and calm. Relax. Breathe more slowly as your heart rate slowing down naturally. Breathe deeply, feeling the fresh air entering your nose and the warmer air going out through your nose on each exhalation. Stay connected to your breath and take notice of it. Is it fast or rather slow? Is it shallow or deep? Let it calm down naturally as your heart rate is slowing down. Take notice of the tensions in your body at this moment. Simply watch carefully. Notice how you're feeling physically right now, without any judgment. Keep on breathing regularly through your nose. Just as every element can have a positive influence on us, it can also destroy us. The individual elements naturally influence each other. How often are you stressed? Rest and exercise to lead up. How often do you eat too much or let yourselves be plagued by worries? All of these behaviors throw you off balance. When the body is no longer capable of attaining harmony, we are out of balance and we become susceptible to disease. Your conscious and constructive thoughts are also useful here. Thoughts and feelings can influence every body function. You know, the forest fires create the preconditions for a larger variety of new plants. The overheating within our body, the fever, kills entire cultures of bacteria. Fire is dependent upon air since it dies without oxygen. The same also applies to our cells' respiration. The metabolism in the individual cells can only properly function with adequate oxygen. We can actually straighten every part of the body or every organ by visualizing and breathing light and warmth into it. You are going to place your hands in a mudra to explore the thumb energy. Now encircle your right thumb with the four fingers of your left hand and place your left thumb along the inner edge of your right hand. left thumb along the inner edge of your right hand. Gently close your eyes. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out calmly. Focus on a part of your body that is weak or ill. Take your time to focus on this point. Now, imagine that a light is burning in the lower center of your body, at the height of the navel. Take your time to visualize this light burning in your navel area. Feel the warmth and see the light. Every time you exhale, direct the rays of light toward the painful part of your body. Take your time to draw this light to the weak or ill part of your body. First, let large and dark clouds of smoke that make you ill or pain escape from the illuminated body part. Visualize what makes you ill or weak. The dark smoke escapes the weak area. Every clouds are leaving this part of your body. Then focus only on the light that slowly fills, illuminates, and heals this part of your body. Let the warmth light fill and illuminate the parts in your body. Let it heal your cells. Let it heal your body. Calmly keep holding on to your thumb for a while and feel the flowing warmth. And then encircle your left thumb and also hold this for a while. You can either choose another weak or painful part in your body or stay focused on the first part you already chose. Do the same exercise than previously. Direct the burning light in your navel towards the painful part of your body. Draw the rays of light towards the ill part of your body. Take your time. Visualize what makes you ill or weak. The dark smoke escapes the weak area. Every clouds are leaving this part of your body. Then focus only on the light that slowly fills, illuminates, and heals this part of your body. Let the warm light fill and illuminate the part of your body. Let it heal your cells. Let it heal your body. Feel the warmth and the healing light. regenerate your metabolism. Feel the warm light restore your energy. Maybe you feel lighter or stronger, or more relaxed in your body and in your mind. Keep on feeling the weak part with the light, the warm light, for a few breaths. Now redirect your attention to your heart center, releasing your hands on your thighs. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and reopen your eyes on the exhalation to get back to the world around you. Thank you for following this meditation with me. Namaste. Please don't forget to like my video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel Mbevin Yoga and activate the bell to get the next video. Please comment and share. See you next time.